Hey everyone, welcome to Motor Digital's free SEO course. In this series of videos, I'm going to be teaching you step-by-step tutorial on secret SEO strategies that are going to get your website ranking on Google. In this course, I'm going to be going through how to generate powerful backlinks, how to create optimized pages, tips on improving the speed of your website, which is very important when ranking on Google, how to create relevant content, and also driving social shares to your website. For those of you who don't know what SEO is, it basically stands for search engine optimization. This is basically driving traffic by increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. This will in turn help you rank on the first page of Google. In this free course, I'm going to be sharing strategies with you that will basically force Google to rank your website. As I said, this course is 100% free, and after watching all the videos, the goal is to be able to give you all the knowledge required to get your page ranking on the first page of Google, even if you're a complete beginner and you don't even know what SEO stands for. Now, although I'm offering this course to you filled with secret strategies, this is something that a company would usually charge around $2,000 a month to do for you. I know that there will only be a handful of people that actually follow through with these videos all the way to the end and implement them to get their websites ranking on the top page of Google, or even get their clients' websites ranking on the top page of Google. If you follow through with this course, I promise you at the end, it will all come together and it will all make sense to you. Stick around, let's get straight into it.